welcome to the show. Draglicious is filmed in front of a fake studio audience. And now, here is your host, Lucille LeCure.
Hello, my little juicy baker bees. I'm your international cake slaying, bun flipping, drag queen baker. That's right, today we're going to get our melon on. This cake is going to be so realistic, you're going to question yourself, am I at a barbecue? So get your pans ready, get your lashes ready, let's go! And get our melon.
She's very self-assured. An encouraging start.
Alright, my baker bees, you start off with one 9-inch cake pan, two 9-inch spheres, half each. You want to grease them. I am using Miracle Cake Loop for the first time. So we'll see how that goes. You want 500 grams of flour, 600 grams of sugar, 4 eggs, half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 cups of buttermilk, standard mixer. Whisk that and put that to one side. Now that that's been mixing for 5 minutes, you want to go ahead and get some rose pink.
A batter of bold personality and thick enough to express opinions.
Now with the 2 spheres, you want to pop in each. With your 9-inch round cake pan, you want to pop that in the oven for 40 minutes. It's all done. You can tell that it's done. The pick will come out clean. And for the spheres, 1.5 hours. Before you pop in the oven, you want to get some semi-sweet chocolate chip and pour them in the centre. May have gone a little bit extra, but you know, look at me, I am.
One admires the courage. A triumph of optimism over architecture. Ooh, a colour palette that could guide aircraft at night.
Roll some ball of fondant up. Now you want to pop it at the top. I'm also going to do one at the bottom. Another tool and put some indentations in. It's like a little belly button. I'll wait for a little bit normally, dry completely. A little bit of yellow and green, a bit of red in there too. Again, wait for that to dry completely normally. And once that's dry, you can always go back in with a little bit of green.
It's just like a watermelon.
Don't encourage her.
Me, I'm using alcohol. Just dribble a little bit. I will do this just before you serve. You don't have to go crazy. Oh, she's dribbling. And there we go, my little luscious bees. One realistic melon. Sort of. Anyway, until next time, we'll see you out. Mwah. She's coming with me.
Wasn't that marvellous? Like a real watermelon, if it were left out in the sun too long. Join us next time by hitting that subscribe button. And since you got this far, like this video and maybe leave us a cheeky little comment.